Geotechnical investigation services play a crucial role in the development of any construction project, and Noida Sector 76 is no exception. Located in the bustling city of Noida, this sector is witnessing rapid growth and development. To ensure the success and longevity of any construction project in this area, it is essential to conduct thorough geotechnical investigations. These investigations provide valuable information about the soil and rock conditions, which helps engineers and designers make informed decisions regarding foundation design, slope stability, and overall project feasibility. Geotechnical investigation services in Noida Sector 76 are offered by various reputable firms who specialize in this field. These services typically include a comprehensive site study, soil testing, and analysis of the geotechnical data collected. This information is crucial for determining the type and depth of foundations required, assessing the potential risks associated with soil settlement or instability, and designing appropriate solutions to mitigate these risks. One of the key aspects of geotechnical investigation services in Noida Sector 76 is the assessment of soil-bearing capacity. This parameter determines the maximum load that can be safely supported by the soil without causing excessive settlement or failure. By conducting tests such as Standard Penetration Test, SPT, or Cone Penetration Test, CPT, geotechnical engineers can accurately determine the bearing capacity of the soil at different depths. This information is then used to design suitable foundations that can safely transfer the loads from the structure to the underlying soil. By determining groundwater levels and permeability characteristics, geotechnical engineers can design effective drainage systems to prevent water-related issues such as seepage or excessive pore pressure buildup. Any construction project, including Noida Sector 76, must have geotechnical investigation services to be successful. This industry, which is based in the thriving city of Noida, is expanding and developing quickly. It is crucial to carry out complete geotechnical investigations before beginning any building project in this area to assure its success and durability. These investigations offer important knowledge about the soil and rock conditions, assisting engineers and designers in making defensible decisions concerning slope stability, foundation design, and overall project viability. Numerous trustworthy businesses that specialize in this discipline provide geotechnical investigation services in Noida Sector 76. These services normally consist of a thorough site analysis, soil testing, and analysis of the gathered geotechnical data. This knowledge is essential for figuring out the kind and depth of foundations that are needed, for evaluating potential risks related to soil instability or settlement, and for creating suitable solutions to reduce such risks. Evaluation of soil carrying capacity is one